Hi everyone, I've got a Ford Galaxy here on a 2014 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the service light. Basically you go right there. Now if I switch the ignition on, now you got all service. So what I need to do is switch the ignition on and immediately press brake and accelerator together. Now as you can see right there, it says oil reset in progress. Wait for 15 seconds. Make sure, just remember when you're doing this, make sure all the doors are shut, the bonnet, the boot, everything is shut as well. Now that reset is complete, I let go of the brake and accelerator, brake and accelerator, switch the ignition off, switch the ignition back on. That's all done. The only problem that we got now is the stop lamp bulb is faulty. So I'm going to replace the bulb now. If I switch the ignition off again, switch the ignition on again. Now there's no oil warning lights. The only thing that is showing the stop lamp bulb fault. That's it. Any more information, please do let me know. And just before I go, now what you do, switch the ignition off. If you've done the service, switch the ignition on, press the brake and the accelerator simultaneously together for 15 seconds, and that should reset the all service light. Thank you very much. Goodbye.